Have you ever dreamed of growing your own fruit trees at home? Imagine biting into fresh, juicy fruit straight from your backyard. Think of the shade on sunny days, the joy of nurturing life in your garden. Today, we're going to guide you on how to plant and care for your very own fruit trees. First things first, you have to decide which fruit trees you want to plant. It's crucial to consider your climate, available space, and soil conditions. Some popular choices are apple, cherry, and peach trees. Once you've decided on your fruit tree, it's time to plant. Now that you've selected your fruit tree, let's move on to planting. Start by digging a hole that's twice as wide and just as deep as your tree's root ball. Next, place the tree in the hole, making sure it's standing straight. Fill the hole with soil, lightly packing it as you go. Once filled, create a small basin around the tree for watering. Finally, give your tree a good soak. Congratulations! You've now planted your fruit tree, but the job isn't over yet. The next step is to care for your fruit tree to ensure it grows well. Regular watering is crucial, but avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot. Fertilize your tree during the growing season to promote healthy growth. Pruning helps to shape the tree and remove dead or diseased branches. Keep an eye out for pests that can harm your tree. Remember, consistency is key in tree care. With proper care, your fruit tree will be on its way to providing you with juicy, fresh fruits. So there you have it, a simple guide to planting and caring for your own fruit trees. We've walked through choosing the right fruit trees, planting them with love, and nurturing them to bear luscious fruits. This journey, from a tiny sapling to a flourishing tree, is not just rewarding but also an incredible joy. It's a testament to the magic of nature right in your backyard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!